Hello, and welcome back to the Edison HVAC podcast. I'm your host, Robert Stringham, and today we'll delve into the specifics of our task list and routines we've established to facilitate effective learning. Our task list is meticulously designed to cover a broad range of topics. For our first year students, we focus on workplace readiness skills, identifying industry issues, safety certification with OSHA 10, and introductions to refrigeration and electricity. We also delve into the theory of heat, understanding heat and pressure, which forms the foundation of HVAC training. The task list for our second year students shifts focus to heating systems. We cover heat pumps, gas furnaces, oil burners, and introduce hydronics and electric heat. We also guide our students through installing an air conditioning system, which leads to an EPA Section 608 certification for refrigerant handling. But our program is more than just about the task. It's about the routines we establish to reinforce learning. Each week our students complete a service-style check-in, writing down 5 tasks related to the task list they aim to achieve. They also note the weather and a word of the day, and they add that word of the day from our PowerPoint commercial that runs on a TV scrolling through 6 slides that day. These elements, the task list, the word of the day, and the reflections on their task, go into a notebook. This notebook is organized into 8 sections covering topics from vocabulary logs to lecture notes and handouts that supplement the curriculum. This notebook forms a portfolio that ties in with a digital portfolio that the students can carry as they progress in their training. Stay tuned to our next podcast where we'll talk about incorporating the learning management system, plugins, add-ons, and the purpose of the tags in detail. As always, keep learning, keep innovating, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible in HVAC training.